Are you planning to move in or out of Elizabethtown, Kentucky? Finding the right moving company can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to 3 Movers, one of the most trusted and affordable moving companies in Elizabethtown. Stay tuned to learn how we can make your move smooth and stress-free. We understand that moving can be expensive, but with 3 Movers, we make sure you get affordable pricing without compromising on quality. We offer free estimates for your move in Elizabethtown and provide clear, upfront pricing, so there are no surprises. We have the services to fit your needs. Here's a quick overview of what we can help with. From residential to commercial relocations, we provide full-service moving, including packing and storage services for a hassle-free experience. Planning a long-distance move. With 3 Movers, you can rest easy knowing your belongings will arrive safely, on time, and at an affordable price. We provide transparent pricing and various options to suit your budget. If you're moving locally within Elizabethtown, we're your go-to moving company. We're licensed, insured, and highly rated for our reliable professional service. Let us handle the heavy lifting while you focus on settling into your new space. Here's why 3 Movers is the best choice for your next move in Elizabethtown. With over 20 years of experience, we've earned our reputation as the go-to moving company in Elizabethtown. Our dedicated team ensures that your belongings are handled with the utmost care every step of the way.